Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of moving with 3 Movers, your best choice for affordable local and long-distance moving services in Tallahassee. Looking for cheap moving services in Tallahassee? Look no further. We provide transparent pricing to ensure you know exactly what to expect. Our movers are registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, guaranteeing that your move meets the highest standards. Whether it's a local move across Tallahassee or a long-distance haul to another state, we've got you covered. Our team will conduct an in-person survey of your belongings to provide the best possible estimate with no hidden fees. 3 Movers proudly offers a variety of moving services, including long-distance hauling, local moving full-service haulers, residential and commercial moves, international transfers, furniture shifting, military moving, and much more. Want to know how much your move will cost? The best way is to get estimates from several moving companies. At 3 Movers, we provide a detailed written estimate and explain all potential additional fees. Remember, local jobs are usually charged by the hour, while long-distance moves are based on weight and distance. Ready to make your move? Contact 3 Movers today for a free quote and experience hassle-free moving in Tallahassee. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more moving tips.